Absolutely. Now, the court sent out 1,000 juror questionnaires over 43 counties. Some people have to drive 4 hours to get to the courthouse, so that's just an interesting tidbit. But let's move on to the case itself, Christa. Do you think this is going to be an easier or more difficult case to prove? Because, of course, in this case, they have to prove that they did what the state, or the federal government has to prove that these guys did what they did because of Arbery's race. And one thing that certainly jumped out or sticks with me from the state trial was that there was a lot of evidence that they went after Arbery for other reasons, that in fact he was seen on the tape, that he was running through the neighborhood. They can present some pretty good reasons why they may have had probable cause to go after him.
Yeah, but that's kind of dubious evidence when you kind of put it up against the mountain of evidence you really have on the prosecution side. I would imagine that there are a lot of white joggers that go through that neighborhood that didn't experience the same things that Ahmaud Arbery did on this day, of course. People poke around into open houses that are being under construction all the time. That's not, it might be criminal trespass, but it's really not something that's ever really prosecuted. I've nosed around in a construction site before when I was younger. I think that what you have is you have a lot of evidence, starting with the Confederate flag on their car to the words that they used describing Mr. Arbery and the manner in which they hunted him down. I think that you have the whole circumstantial evidence that's packaged together of the feelings and the racial animus that existed with the McMichaels and with Ahmaud Arbery, and I think that it's pretty good evidence that a jury could hang their hat on.
Yeah, and I believe, from my understanding of the evidence in the case, there's a number of text messages that both, even particularly Travis, but even Greg, using racial epithets, a lot of sort of racist type comments. So all that is going to be fair game in this federal trial. All right, Christa, stand by.
Facebook stuff too.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Yeah. I said Facebook stuff too.
And Facebook stuff as well. All the social media, as we well know, works wonders in trials like this. All right, Christa, stand by. We're going to take a break right now.